Hi there, this is Hugo. Welcome back to Crypto Stocks. I'm the host for this channel. It's a pleasure to have you guys here again. If you have not yet, please go ahead down here, subscribe. It helps a lot the channel. Any new subscriber will YouTube will put it out to more people and maybe more people subscribe. I really appreciate if you can do that. And if you like the value of this video, please go ahead, put a comment down and smash the like button, okay? So let's talk about crypto today. Today is not much about stock. Actually, there's no stock at all. So today we're gonna talk about like article that I saw on CNBC website and say investor fear crypto winter is coming as Bitcoin falls 50% from record highs. Well, they're talking about the crypto winter and how bad it is. Let's understand the market first. Market has a lot of fear on the market right now. So all high risk investments are being diluted. And one of the most high risk investments is cryptocurrency. So people really sold those cryptocurrency like crazy, especially the retail market, because they got scared. Crypto started going, like if you bought one was $40,000 and now it's $33,000, $36,000, you got scared. Yesterday it dropped below $33,000. So a lot of people is like not losing that much money. So I'm holding my positions. I think it's gonna go up again, just my opinion. And I did buy some more today. It's during crypto winters that the best entrepreneurs build the better companies. So David Marcus just put this out. This again is to focus on solving real problems versus pumping tokens out of your account. I'm not a financial advisor, so before you follow anything that I say, follow up with a financial advisor, see if it's correct. Don't do just because I'm doing, but I'm not selling, and now I'm the point that I believe I'm starting buying, and I'm starting buying because I believe that we are almost on the bottom. I still think that there's a chance to keep going down, and then you come to me, just a parenthesis on that.
This is quote.
You come to me and say, Hugo, if you think it's still going down even more, why are you buying now? Because I'm not certain about it. I cannot be sure that tomorrow is the worst day and then the crypto is gonna go up. So I think we are close to the bottom if we are not on the bottom, and that's why I'm gonna start building my positions again. As you can see in this chart by Jim Cramer, you see back in April to June, this triangle, it dropped 55.89% for 50 days. And then theoretically from November to February, so a couple of weeks down the road, we should be dropping all the way to 55.89%. And then goes up again. As you can see in this chart here on the left side, it goes up and down and then go up and down. And that's how it is. It's a lot of corrections. Let's go back to another chart. This Vijay Iyer, Vice President of Corporate Development of International Crypto Exchange Luno, thinks the recent slump in the crypto is more of a correction than a sustained shutdown. Bitcoin has typically seen blows off before diving 80% or more, he said. This refers to the chart patterns, which show the steep increase in prices and trade volume followed by a sharp fall in price. Corrections for Bitcoins usually are around like in between 30 and 50% range, which is where we are currently. So still within normal correction territory. And I do agree, like whenever you think about stocks, the corrections are not as dramatic as in Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency. Remember, most cryptocurrency is gonna follow Bitcoin chart. So Ethereum usually goes in the same direction as Bitcoin as well. My metaverse coins, they usually follow the same pattern. Jim Cramer put another chart last night here it's pretty cool. It showed the number 13, as you can see here. So you have 13 days closing on the higher greens, and then after that it drops 13 days that has the close on the red, and then goes up again. So right now we are 11 closing days on the red. I don't know why he put the bottom numbers in green and the top numbers in red. But this means that if we have 2 more days of in the red, closing the red, this should tell us that by history, it's not guaranteed. Remember, nothing this is guaranteed, but by history, it show that it might bump up again. Why is that? It's just because, especially retail and the big whales, they wait to go down as much as they can wait, and then they buy in bulk. And whenever they buy in bulk, then the Bitcoin and all the other cryptocurrencies goes up. Let's see if the history continues, because I start buying again. So, okay, let's go to CoinMarketCap really fast just to see how the market is doing today. So the last 24 hours been really good for crypto. You know, Bitcoin is up 8.63%, although it's down on the 7 days over 12%. Ethereum, as you can see, it follows the same route. Ethereum is 9.35% higher in the last 24 hours. And remember, yesterday on the video, I talked about how Bitcoin, whenever Bitcoin goes down, Ethereum goes even lower. But whenever Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum goes even higher. So see, now Bitcoin is 8.64 and Ethereum is 9.38. So that's why I don't worry that Ethereum is going too down. Let's go. Yesterday I bought a bunch of Solana. You know, I bought because it was pretty cheap. Let's look really fast the chart for Solana here. So yesterday I bought, it wasn't a dip, so yesterday it was the 24. I bought around the $88, so probably right here. Yeah, that's when I start buying again, and I'm happy because, you know, I got $3 per share so far, so that's pretty good. I bought some ADA as well below $1. I thought it was a good value. And again, look at that. ADA is up 4.71%, and Solana is up 10.62%. That's awesome. Let's hope that's not just a that cap bounce and that continue going up. Shiba Inu got some recovery. This number is getting really low. I do have a little bit Shiba, but not much. I'm losing trust on this coin. I did buy a bunch of crypto. I bought yesterday, I think it was 35 cents or 34 cents, but since then has recouped 13%, so that's pretty good. And I staked those on crypto.com. You can stake, and I got 6% in 90 days, like 6% APR in 90 days stakes. So I have stake there. And let's see the last two. Actually, let's go to the metaverse and see my 3 favorite coins on the metaverse. Mana, I did buy this morning a little bit more. I bought yesterday a little bit below $2, and now I bought a bunch of this morning at $2. So we are 12% up in the last 24 hours. Axie Infinity is down to 50 from Axie Infinity dropped quite a bit. That is a bargain. If you look a month ago, it was over $100, so it's 50%. If you want to buy some Axie Infinity, it's about 50% from a month ago. So it's up to 11%. And Sandbox, of course, is $2.98. Didn't drop as much as Axie Infinity, but it still dropped some. It's been up 10% in the last 24 hours. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. And I just want to say that be careful with the market. Still a lot of volatility until the Fed meeting on Wednesday. If I'm not wrong, it's a Wednesday. So be careful what are you buying, and make sure you understand that, you know, cryptocurrencies is a beast. So goes up 50%, goes down 50%, is in the easy way. So before you invest, again, follow up with financial advisor. Make sure that you understand what to invest, and be patient, because this investment is not to make it like $1 million overnight. That's not gonna happen. If it happen, I'll be really happy, but probably not. So be careful out there. And if you see any value, man, go ahead. Freaking subscribe to my channel. It does help a lot. And if it's your first time watching this video, hey, give me a chance. You know, I just put like 18 videos out. I just started this YouTube. If you look at my first video to now, I'm being much better. I've been speaking better in front of the camera, and I'm trying to make a good channel for you guys to learn a little bit or to get some ideas what you should research and maybe invest, okay? Thank you so much for coming here. Don't forget to subscribe, put a like button, smash that like button, and put a comment. You know, I would love a comment. Tell me how I'm doing. Have a great day and have a hopefully for a green day on the stock market.